The iPhone 16 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could have extremely similar designs. It's not unusual for phones from two different brands to have some similarities, but it seems the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could have more physically in common with each other than most smartphones. At least, that's what leaker at Universeyes claims. According to them, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the Galaxy S25 Ultra will of course not have a dynamic island, which in their view will make it appear more ultra, but that's subjective. And bezel. But the S25 Ultra does not have the annoying dynamic island, therefore, the front appearance of September 3, 2024. Of course, neither of these phones are out yet, so even if at Universeyes is right, we don't know exactly what screen sizes and dimensions to expect, but leaks give us some idea. We've heard previously that the iPhone 16 Pro Max will have bezels that measure just 1.15 mm, and that these will be the smallest bezels on any phone, albeit perhaps not for long if Samsung is taking a similar approach. We've also heard from numerous sources that it will have a 6.9-inch screen, and at Universeyes 3.024 by 77.575 by 8.26 mm. We haven't heard as much about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but previous leaks suggest it could have a 6.86-inch or 6.9-inch screen, similar to what we expect from the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So that's in line with this latest claim. So, if at Universeyes is right, does that mean Samsung is copying Apple, since the iPhone 16 Pro Max is launching first? Were when it started. Plus, similar dimensions aren't much of a selling point anyway. Shrinking the bezels simply makes sense, and is something we often